Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. Hit the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie. Tropical meets nutty in this smoothie that's fruity, creamy, and packed with good fat. Say hello to the Tropical Nutty Gainer. About 540 calories of flavor and fuel. Start with half a cup of mango, sweet and vibrant. Add half a cup of pineapple for that tangy tropical kick. Next, 2 tablespoons of cashew butter or peanut butter for a rich, nutty twist. Scoop in half a cup of Greek yogurt for creaminess and protein. Then pour in half a cup of coconut milk to tie it all together. Finally, add a tablespoon of flaxseed for fiber and healthy fat. Blend until silky smooth, then chill before serving. This shake is fruity, nutty, and satisfying. The perfect tropical boost with a creamy twist. I got you. Yes.